So today we are going to do the Node.js program, very simple with the how to handle the files. So for that, let's go to the Visual Studio. First, we need to install the Node modules and JS. So open the terminal, npm init, leave all the default settings, and then npm install, let's say Express. It will install the Node modules. Okay, so now our Node modules are ready. So let's create one file, JavaScript file. Let's say file.js. So today what we are going to do is, so these are the task. Write a simple Node.js program from the scratch to read the contents of a file, and this will help you to apply whatever you have learned about the using the Node.js for the file operations. So this is the funda, right? So for that, let's create the folder, one folder, let's call it data. And in the data, what we are going to do, creating the subfolder in the data, which is called, let's say call examples. And in this one, we are creating one text file. So let's create one text file, call it example.txt. Any, you can give any name. And now what we need to do, let's write any message like hello world. Any text you can write, save it, and now close this file. So what are our tasks? We finished to create the JSON JavaScript file. We created the folder, we created the subfolder, we created the text file, and now let me separate this. So now till this one we finish our steps. Now what we are going to do, import the fs module to handle the file reading. Let's do everything step by step. So for that we need to fs is equal to require fs. So we are just importing our fs module. What is the second step? Define the file path for the example.txt file, which we just created here. So where is the path? Is in the data folder. In the data folder, it's in the subfolder. Okay, so we need to define the path. So let's store it in the variable as well. Let's give the name file path is equal to, it's in the current directory, so we need to write like this, dot slash, mention the main folder, data is the main folder, then mention the subfolder which is the example. This is our subfolder, and now we need to mention our text file. So what is the name of our text file? Example.txt. So we mention our file path. This is our file path. This task finished. Now we need to read this file. using the read file sync function. Now we do this fs.readFileSync, and here we need to mention the file path, comma, we need to encoding it, the text, what we need to do, utf-8 to encode this. Let's store this into the variable constant read file. Now what is the another part? Print the file content to the console. Let's print now console.log read file. Now we need to run our script. Node file.js. So this is our content from our file, text file, which is will be mentioned here. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.